Did you know that acting is one of the oldest professions in the world? From ancient Rome to modern Hollywood, actors have entertained and delighted us our entire lives. Today, I want to give a shout out to some of the most iconic Syrian actors, or mumathilin, that have shaped the history of Syrian comedy, drama, and much more, mostly comedy. Welcome back to Speak Real Arabic, everyone. I am your host, Ozzy, from Damascus, Syria. Let's act like we're people who love clicking on things. I personally love clicking on the subscribe button and also the bell icon, so you should also maybe do that. Come on, you know you want to. Anyways, I want to start today's video by talking about my favorite Syrian actor of all times and one of the most famous actors in the Arab world, and his name is Duraid Laham. Duraid was born in Damascus, Syria in February 1934. A lot of people don't know this about him, but he has a bachelor's in chemistry, and he has taught in Damascus University until, I guess, 1960, where he moved into acting. He rose to unprecedented fame, or shuhra, in the Syrian drama atmosphere with the TV show Sah al-Nom. Sah al-Nom is a Syrian expression we use to mean good morning. His role in that TV series, or musalsal, was called Ghawar al-Toshe, which was kind of like a Chaplin-esque character which always got into shenanigans while trying to do the right thing, you know? He played that actor for 10 years on various series such as Hammam al-Hana, which means hoping you enjoyed your shower, super specific, I know. Milh wa sikkar, which means salt and sugar. Wain al-Ghalat, meaning where is the mistake, and Wadi al-Misk, which means the valley of mesquite. It's pretty hard to meet any Syrian who has never heard of Ghawar Toshe. And even though the last appearance of the character was, if I'm not mistaken, 1998, in The Return of Ghawar, or Audet Ghawar, these amazing works kept airing and still air on Syrian TV to this day. Moving on, alongside Duraid as Ghawar, I have to mention Naji Jabr. Naji Jabr was born in Suwaida, which is a Syrian city, in February of 1940. He was born to an acting family and started acting at the age of 20, I guess. He rose to fame when he joined Duraid Laham in the series Sah al-Nom as the character of Abu Antar. Abu Antar means the father of Antar. And that was what he was called until the end of his career. Abu Antar, again meaning the father of Antar, was this character known for being extremely tough and stubborn. He basically could not meet a problem which he could not punch his way through. Imagine him as like the Captain America of Syria. In his amazing physical comedy performance with Duraid, he would always be the brawn to Ghawar's brains, or lack thereof. And they brought these duo to over 10 series and about a decade of television. Unfortunately, he passed away in 2009, but his character lives in the hearts and souls of Syrians forever. Another legend in the Syrian acting world is Amal Arafa, who was born in Damascus in 1970. She's an actor and singer who is mostly known for her amazing portrayal of the character Dunya As'ad Saeed on the TV show Dunya, which she actually wrote, produced, and directed a few episodes. This was my personal TV show, and I actually still try to watch it every now and then whenever I can. The premise was simple. A small village girl moves to the big city of Damascus and works as a cleaner to make enough money so she can buy land. However, because of her curiosity and, always inserting herself into other people's business, she always got fired at the end of each episode, and by the next episode had to find another job. I believe, like to me specifically, she really redefined the idea of Syrian comedy, and she was inspired by the greats before her. Her TV show was first aired in 1999, and it still airs reruns to this day. Like, I still catch it on TV every once in a while. Now, last but definitely not least is Yasser Al-Azma. There's really very few Arabs who do not recognize Yasser Al-Azma. He was born in Damascus in 1942 and had various nicknames during his life, such as Al-Ustura, or the legend, and Sana' al-Nujum, which means the star maker. He is most famous for taking various roles in the satirical comedy anthology series Maraya, or Mirrors, which is the longest running Syrian TV show of all time. It started in 1981 and aired for 19 seasons. I really just cannot explain how amazing of an actor he is, and he made a massive impact on me personally. I'd say he's the reason why I became an actor. So if you can check him out, please go check him out right now. Again, Yasser Al-Azma in the Musalsal or TV show Maraya. So I guess that was it for my favorite Syrian actors. I know it was a bit comedy heavy, but I'm a comedian, what can I say? So thank you so much for watching, and I'm really enjoying doing some deep dives on these artists. So if you guys are enjoying this as well, let me know if you want me to talk about anything in specific, maybe like painters or something. I'll probably do something with painters. Again, I'm your host Ozzy, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you so much.